Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Finally, we received UMIDIGI A1 Pro. It is one of the most interesting ultra-budget phones on the market for the last time. Perhaps you already watched video reviews of this device and some of you already bought it, but we want to share with you our opinion of this phone. First of all, it is ultra-budget phone with a price tag about $100. It is difficult to find something similar to UMIDIGI A1 Pro in this price category. In addition, it is compact device with 5.5-inch full screen. The phone comes with a dual 4G LTE USB Type-C, Android 8.1 Oreo, a dual camera, face and fingerprint unlock. The feature set looks very interesting for $100 phone. Does it have any drawbacks? Let's find out. The smartphone comes in a black box with UMIDIGI logo on the front side. As usual, you can read main specifications on the back, for example, processor, RAM, camera, etc. We will talk about all this in details in this video. When you open the box, you see the smartphone in silicone protective case. It is half transparent of black color. The case is high quality and nice to touch. Also, there is an envelope with SIM needle and user manual. Finally, you can find power adapter and USB Type-C cable. That's all. I'm really glad that UMIDIGI A1 Pro has silicone case in the package, although it is budget phone. Design is one of the main features of this phone. You should understand that UMIDIGI A1 Pro is ultra-budget phone, so you cannot expect ultra-high performance. However, the manufacturer made a great job with design. It is a really compact phone compared to most 6-inch devices on the market. Thanks to this and rounded edges, it is very comfortable to hold in one hand. On the front panel, you can see 18:9 display with thin bezels on sides and quite thin bezels on top and bottom. Today many Chinese phones have notches above the display, so top and bottom bezels are smaller. However, UMIDIGI A1 Pro doesn't have a notch, so we have big top and bottom bezels. There is front camera, earpiece, light and proximity sensors. The back panel is glossy. I have a black version, but you can choose from blue, silver and black. In my opinion, blue version looks more interesting. To be honest, I cannot determine the material of back panel. It looks like glass, but doesn't feel so. Maybe this is plastic. Anyway, there is metal frame for additional durability. Here you can see dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. The camera protrudes from the body, so it is better to use silicone case not to damage sensors. The power button and volume rocker are on the right side, while hybrid slot for dual SIM cards or one SIM card and microSD memory card is located on the top. At the bottom, you can find USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, microphone and speaker. UMIDIGI A1 Pro looks very good for its price. If I didn't know the specifications, I would have thought that this is mid-range phone. However, the specs are entry-level, so it is only $100 phone. We already talked a little about the display, but now more details. This is 5.5-inch screen with HD Plus resolution 1440 by 720 pixels, 293 ppi, 18:9 aspect ratio and about 85% of screen-to-body ratio. The display has good brightness, contrast and viewing angles. You can easily use it outdoors and even in direct sunlight. The settings menu provides reading mode, color temperature adjustments and others. In short, UMIDIGI A1 Pro has very good display for $100. Perhaps the hardware is the main reason why UMIDIGI A1 Pro is so cheap. It is powered by entry-level chipset MediaTek MT6739 with maximum clock speed of 1.5 GHz. Also, there is 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory, with microSD card support up to 256 GB. From one hand, the user interface is very fast and smooth. I don't notice any lags or slowdowns. However, apps open in some delay, and the smartphone has low result in benchmarks. For example, AnTuTu shows only 45,000 points, while Geekbench 4 demonstrates 616 points in single-core test and 1800 points in multi-core test. Later I will make a video with detailed performance test all benchmarks and games, but right now it doesn't look like gaming phone. UMIDIGI A1 Pro runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. User interface looks very similar to stock Android, and I think this is the main reason why it is so fast. Yes, there are customized icons, but in general, the settings and options are the same as stock Android. Of course, you will have Google services such as Play Store, YouTube, and multi-language support. As for the camera, I haven't taken photos yet, so I will make a special video about camera. You can find it in the description under this video. There is 13 and 5 megapixel sensors on the back and only 5 megapixel camera on the front. The camera app is the same as most other MediaTek phones. You can use different modes such as bokeh, panorama, and beauty. So later we will publish full camera test. The link will be in the description. The smartphone is equipped with 3150 mAh battery. It is quite modest battery, especially compared to Xiaomi devices, but you should not forget about low performance, HD display and compact size. The battery life should be good. Once again, there will be another video with battery test of UMIDIGI A1 Pro. By the way, this phone supports fast charging, and we will also test it in the next video. Connectivity is another highlight of this phone because it supports worldwide LTE bands. Moreover, there is dual 4G LTE. It means that you can use LTE on both SIM cards at the same time. Of course, there is support for 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS and GLONASS. We tested Wi-Fi speed and GPS, and they work well. Also, I want to show you a quick sound sample. I cannot say it is high-quality speaker, but it is not worse than other budget phones. Pretty good for watching videos on YouTube and movies. If you are a big music lover, you can use 3.5mm audio jack to listen through headphones. The sound is much better. So, it was unboxing and first review of UMIDIGI A1 Pro. We plan to make at least 3 more videos about this phone, performance test, battery test and camera test. You can find all of them by the links in description. My first opinion, it is a very good budget phone. For only $100, it provides beautiful design and comfortable size, quite thin bezels around the display, all necessary connectors such as 3.5mm audio jack and USB Type-C port, dual 4G LTE support and latest Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It seems that performance and camera are quite weak, but I should test them before final conclusion. Thanks for watching. What do you think about UMIDIGI A1 Pro? Write in comments below. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.